Hey, I'm Macy.
Hey, I'm Bree, and we're gonna be trying Warheads and these toxic wastes. And I'm really nervous because these are terrible. Alright, I'm trying black cherry.
I kind of want to do bluegrass, so we'll just show you, just so you know we're not lying.
I'm so scared. I can't even open this. Oh, here we go.
Go.
Ready? Ah! Okay, well, that looks good.
Oh, my sour's not gone.
Mine's good now. It's like,
Oh, no.
and it's not gross like Warheads.
Wait, what kind did you try? Black cherry?
Black cherry.
I'm gonna do black cherry. Isn't it?
It's been a week of ups and downs, guys. You guys have the talent,
Ow,
the passion, and the courage to do this.
Even the candy apples.
Go out there and do what you love. That's all you have to do.
Alright, so now what? I'll give that on a rate of 1 to 10. Like a 10 being the most sour.
I actually kind of like them.
In that wing.
Ugh.
They're kind of sour, but I really like them.
Alright, now we're gonna try Warhead.
That's watermelon.
I don't want black cherry.
Oh, well, yeah.
I'm gonna eat the blue one. Okay, ready? Ew, these are gross looking.
Alright,
It's like
now
black.
we're gonna try the warhead at black cherry. These ones are kind of fat.
Okay, ready? These aren't even nearly as sour. Okay. That was definitely like a 7 out of 10.
I really like it too.
God, that was terrible.
The aftertaste isn't. The aftertaste
nasty.
for the apple, I mean not the apple, the toxic waste is much better than the warhead.
Yeah. Okay, well, that's us trying delicious sour candy. Bye.